Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you cash flow. So guys, we will discuss in this whole video that what is cash flow and how we draw a cash flow. So guys, I'm gonna starting the video. So basically what is cash flow? You have some name of a person that buy goods from you, and your business is running by someone person and some other entities and etc. They purchase cash and they purchase goods and etc things from you with cash. So you have to make them a cash flow that it's a basically a type of ledger you make. So in cash flow you have to mention the name at first, then the statement of cash flow for the month ended. The month for which you have made the cash flow, you have to make the statement of that month that your cash flow has been ended in this month, and the cash flow of this month is in this statement or in this page. So after that, cash flow from operating activities, cash received from the customer. So you have to keep in mind that these things from here to here, and these all things you have to keep in mind. If you are writing a cash flow, you have to keep in mind these things. So cash flow from operating activities, cash received from customer is 1855, cash paid for the rent is 500, cash paid for the wages is 125, and not cash provided by the operating activities. So for operating activities, the things that operate your business are the operating activities. So no cash data has been provided for that operating activities. So after that, cash flow from investing, which means that we are making cash flow diagram. We have to keep in mind these all things, and after that we also have to keep in mind these things, that cash flow from investing activities. The cabin, the space for this activity is a little bit other than these activities. So that cash flow from investing, we keep this far from these. So cash paid for furniture, cash flow from finance activities, cash investing by owner. So these are the some cash flow activities and cash flow procedure, that how we made cash flow. And we are going to next page. So after that we have written that cash withdraws by owner, particular payments of MP, which is 400 and 900. Net cash provided by financing is to 1200. Net increase in cash is 2330. And cash balance average 1 is opening the cash average 1, cash balance average 2331. The cash balance on August 31 is 2330, and end of cash is average 31. So these are some things and these are some procedures that have been written and have to be returned in the cash flow. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like the video and hit the press the bell icon.